Hi everyone who watching this video. My name is Pavitra, daughter of Kenison. The purpose of doing this video is for our operation management presentation video, and we talk about in this video is about topic 8, which is quality management concept. Okay, in my group they have 3 more members. They will introduce themselves in their video. In this slide is talking about the definition of the quality is the ability of a product or service to constantly meet or exceed the customer expectation or needs. Example like quantity of the raw material, quality of the service, and so on. Okay, in this slide is talking about the importance of the quality. So the first one is quality build a positive company image and avoid the negative perception. Example like give the high quality with the price is also reasonable and the quality also in the good conditions. And second is the quality offer a competitive edges, attractive and returns a customer. So for example like we give a discount or offer to the customer to attract the customer. And third is a high quality product lead to market dominance or over quality alternative. Example like some product is the high quality, the price is not reasonable because the price high and then the quality in the low condition. So we have to alert of these things out. And fourth one is the customer value quality, fostering loyalty and satisfaction. Okay, example like important is we need to see the satisfaction of the customer. Example, the product in the good condition of the quality and then the price also reasonable and so on. Fifth is the talking about the quality product prevent the costly lawsuit and liabilities. Okay, example like we avoid the price is too high expensive because some customer is they are not effort to buy that. And 6 is the quality it enhances the company reputation and competitive. Okay, example like example like customer who buy regularly the product to us, so they will recommend our product to the other customer if our product is in a good condition and good price and reasonable and so on. Thank you.
Okay, now I want to talk about the dimension of quality. The first one, reliability, refer to the length of time that a product continues to function under normal condition. Before it breaks down or needs repair, low quality product do not last long and will break down before the end of the normal product lifespan. Number 2, performance, refer to the extent to which a product can perform its function accordingly to the customer intent use. Better product characteristic and performance reflect better quality. For example, the air conditioner cools the air in a room or space when we switch on. Number 3, durability. Refer to the extent to which a product function can withstand use in adverse condition. For example, a mobile phone can still work well even after it has fallen several times. Number 4, safety. Refer to the extent to which a product is safe for use by consumer. For example, Volvo is regarded as a quality car because of its high security features such as alarm system, 360-degree camera, and more. Number 5, aesthetic characteristics refer to the appeal of product, its look, feel, taste, smell, or sound. The customer represent of this characteristic for feature is very subjective. Number 6, customer service. Refer to the service that customer receive before, during and after making a purchase. Quality customer service can be demonstrated through the service provider efficient speed and level of courtesy and easy getting after sale service. Number 7, features are the attributes of the product that supplement the product's basic performance. Features are the special quality of a product that can attach customer. The last one, serviceability. Refer to the ease or convenience of getting repair service, replacement of parts and after sale service. Product with accessibility after sale service are considered quality product, while product that lack disaccessibility or provide poor after sales service are considered low quality product. Thank you so much. Now I want to talk about the objective of quality management is to ensure that product and service can satisfy customer needs. Especially quality management aims to number one, ensure the companies produce goods and service that meet standards of specification. Number two, reduce the production costs that are linked or non-compliance with standard and specification. Number three, ensure that products and service are always well received by users. Number four, protect companies from lawsuits caused by producing goods that are harmful to the customer. Number five, ensure the management and users that the product produced have been designed, manufactured, and marketed to comply with the requirements set. And the last one, achieve zero defects by producing high quality products, starting from the beginning of the process of detecting defective products through inspection. Thank you.
Okay, my name is Praveen Anakiravachanam. My matrix number is 10-21F2035. Okay, total quality management (TQM) ensures quality throughout the organization. Okay, involving all levels of employees to deliver superior products and services, meeting customer expectations. Okay, management act as a catalyst for continuous quality improvement, striving for excellence in all customer significant aspects. Okay, implementing measures to reduce poor quality causes and enhance productivity. Okay, the first concept in TQM is continuous improvement. Okay, also known as Kaizen or zero defects, is an ongoing process in total quality management. Okay, encompassing engagements in people, equipments, materials, and procedures. Okay, it follows the PDSA cycle plan. Okay, do, check, and act, wherein the company identifies areas for improvements, implements plans, evaluates progress, and standardizes successful process for continuous advancement. During the plan phase, the company identifies processes for improvement, analyzes issues, and develops a plan with measurable improvement goals. In the do phase, the company implements the plan and monitors its progress. In the check phase, performance is compared to planned standards. If goals aren't met, the plan is re-evaluated. Okay, finally, in the act phase, successful results are documented and revised process become standard procedures. Okay, the second concept in TQM is Six Sigma. Okay, Six Sigma is a quality measure aiming for near perfection, saving time, improving quality, and cutting costs through defect reduction. Okay, it is a disciplined, data-driven approach to eliminate defects. Okay, achieving 6 standard deviation between the mean and the nearest specification limit. To attain Six Sigma, a process must not produce more than 3.4 defects per million opportunities, with defects defined as anything outside customer specification. Two sub-methodologies are DMAIC and DMADV are used for improvement and development respectively, with DMAIC for existing processes below specification and DMADV for new processes or products. DMAIC focus on defining, measuring, analyzing, improving, and controlling existing processes, while DMADF concentrate on defining, measuring, analyzing, designing, and verifying new processes or products. Use DMAIC when existing processes fall below specification and DMADV when new processes or products need development or current ones require optimization. The third concept in TQM is employee empowerment. Okay, employee empowerment in TQM involves engaging employees in product and process improvement through a company-wide involvement program, culture change, teamwork promotion, and staff development. Okay, it delegates decision-making authority to employees performing tasks as they are best positioned to determine the most effective methods. Okay, techniques for building empowerment includes establishing communication networks, supportive supervisors, decision-making transfer, fostering high moral and formal team structures like quality circles. Okay, quality circles comprise of trained employees led by a facilitator. Okay, identify and solve production and quality problems. Okay, leveraging employees' direct responsibility for processes to find effective solutions and engage pride and motivation. The fourth concept in TQM is benchmarking. Okay, benchmarking is a continuous process that measures a company's products, services, and processes against industry leaders. Okay, using the best practices as targets or standards for performance. Okay, it helps companies understand industry leaders' works methods to improve their own operations. Typical benchmarking measures include processing time per unit, cost per unit, service response time, customer retention rates, certification levels, revenue per unit, ROI, and return of asset. Okay, the benchmarking process, akin to the PDCA cycle, okay, focuses on setting quantitative goals for continuous improvement through 5 steps. Okay, determining what to benchmark, forming a benchmark team, identify partners, collecting and analyzing information, and taking action to match or exceed benchmark. Okay, the 4 types of benchmarking are competitive benchmarking, which compare with direct industry competitors. For example, Maybank versus CIMB Bank. Okay, functional benchmarking, comparing functional areas with outstanding practices outside the industry. Example, Maybank's customer service versus public banks or DHL Express. Okay, internal benchmarking, using superior units within the same organization as benchmark. Okay, example, comparing branches of University Technology Mara. And generic benchmarking is comparing processes or functions irrespective of industry. Example, comparing a hotel's check-in process with an airline online check-in. The fifth concept in TQM is just-in-time. Okay, just-in-time philosophy aims to eliminate waste by reducing unnecessary inventories and non-value-added activities from operations. Okay, it's an inventory strategy where goods are received or produced only when needed. Okay, cutting inventory costs and improving efficiency. Okay, with less inventory, costs related to scrapping, reworking, investment, and damage decrease. Okay, just in time also enhances quality by revealing and addressing poor quality issues early, as materials and products are fresh upon receipt or delivery. Okay, consistent quality reduces the needs for inventory, minimizing inventory related costs. Okay, the sixth concept in TQM is Taguchi concept. Okay, Dr. Junichi Taguchi, a Japanese quality expert, okay, emphasized that 80% of defective goods stem from poor product design. Okay, advocating for quality improvement efforts to start at the design stage due to its cost effectiveness. Okay, Taguchi introduced the design of experiment concept to product design, aiming for robust designs capable of performing in various conditions. Okay, its philosophy prioritizes designing products adaptable to different environments rather than controlling those environments. Taguchi challenged the traditional view of quality cost, okay, suggesting that Taguchi loss functions where costs increase quadratically as conformance value diverges from the target. Okay, this function reshapes perceptions of quality costs, okay, highlighting the importance of minimizing deviations from targets for lower cost and higher quality. Okay, the seventh concept in TQM is knowledge of TQM tools. Okay, every employee needs to understand the techniques of TQM. Okay, companies should provide their staff with proper training on TQM tools. Okay, this will ensure continuous improvement and employee employment can be implemented smoothly. Okay, the 7 tools of TQM are check sheets, scatter diagram, cause and effect diagrams, Pareto charts, flow charts, histograms, and control charts.
So now we are diving into a check sheets, a key tool in total quality management. They are like simple forms that help collect data on processes or problems. Check sheets are easy to use and quick to fill out, making them perfect for spotting trends in defects or complaints. But remember, they don't fix biases, so stay aware of potential distortions in your data. Overall, check sheets are handy tools for improving processes and making informed decisions. Next is scatter diagram. Let's talk about scatter diagrams. Imagine it like connecting dots but without drawing lines between them. So you have two things you are looking at, like maybe hours spent studying and test scores. You put dots on the graph for each person's study hours and their test score. The up and down line on the graph shows what we are trying to figure out or predict, like how the test scores change with different study times. It's like seeing if there's any pattern between the two things you're comparing. The scatter diagram helps us to understand how they related to each other. Easy, right? Okay, the next is think of cause and effect diagrams like detective work for problem solving. You have got this fishbone shaped chart where you list a problem like low sales at the head. Then you brainstorm all the possible reasons why it's happening and list them as bones coming off the main fishbone. These bones could be things like a poor marketing, product quality, or pricing issues. Now, the cool thing is the diagram helps you to see how different factors are connected to the main problem. It's like untangling a web of reasons behind an issue. Plus, it's great for team brainstorming because everyone can pitch in their ideas. But hey, sometimes it gets pretty complicated with lots of factors, so it might take some time to figure it all out. Still, it's a handy tool for understanding and solving problems effectively. Imagine you have a big pile of problems to tackle. The Pareto principle says the most of these problems actually come from just a few things that aren't quite right. Like 80% of the mess might be caused by just 20% of the issues, whether it's machines acting up, materials being off, or operation making mistakes. So, to fix most of the mess, you just need to focus on fixing those key 20% of the issues. It's like finding the biggest bang of your buck in problem solving. And yeah, if you want to see how effective your fixes are, you can see double Pareto charts to compare how things were before and after you make changes. This helps you to see if your efforts are paying off in solving in the most significant problems. Next is flowcharts. Flowcharts are like maps for processes. They use pictures, symbols, and arrows to show how things move from one step to another. They help everyone understand how things work, where there might be problems, and where we can make things better. Plus, they help decide where we need to keep an eye on quality. Just remember, since there's no set way to draw them, sometimes explaining them to different people takes a bit of time. A histogram is like a graph made of bars that shows us how data is spread out. It's like taking a big list of numbers and turning it into a picture that helps us to see patterns. For example, if we are measuring products and most of them fall within certain limits, the histogram can show us if there's unusual patterns in how they are disturbed. It's basically a way to make sense of bunch of numbers at a glance. Here's the last but not least. Control charts are like a dashboard for production. They help us keep an eye on how things are going by plotting sample measures between upper and lower limits. This way we can see if the process is stable or if there's a trend that needs attention. Instead of reacting to every little change, we focus on the big picture trend to avoid overacting and wasting resources. In conclusion, quality management concepts serve to enhance organizational performance and customer satisfactions. The objectives include improving product or service quality, customer satisfactions, and organizational efficiency. Quality dimensions for goods and services encompass various aspects of product quality such as performance, features and reliability. And determines of service quality such as responsiveness, assurance and empathy. Stages in quality control and inspections aim to ensure product or service conformity and identify defects early on, with purposes ranging and ensuring compliance to enhancing customer certifications. Inspection types and sources including in-process, final and sources inspections provide crucial checkpoints throughout production. Total Quality Management (TQM) stands as a comprehensive approach emphasizing continuous improvement, customer focus and employee involvement, ultimately fostering a culture of excellence and driving sustained success. Thank you.